Hello kids. Can you see the dark area on the wall? What is it called? It's called shadow. How is shadow formed? Shadow is formed when the light is not able to fall directly on the surface. When the light cannot reach the other side because of any object blocking the light, that is called shadow. That area becomes dark. When we go out in the sun, we can see our shadow on the ground, isn't it? This is because we block the light of the sun from falling on the ground. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening and will be the shortest at noon. Why? That is because in the morning and evening the sun rays will be in slanting position, but in the afternoon it will be direct. So shadows are longer in the morning and in the evening, but in the afternoon it will be the shortest.